Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing as to what is expected, what can be expected for the month of June for you. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. With that said, you are dealing with or perhaps you were dealing with a relationship over here with the Two of Swords. You have to decide something. It is a time to decide. There is a time which you have to take a decision on this connection. Okay, maybe you actually have a choice as to what to do, what not to do, which path to take. The decision is really tough over here. It is really getting tougher and tougher on your aspect as to what should I decide in this connection. And lovers itself is talking about a choice. So definitely, though you are dealing with this relationship, but there is something which is going on in this relationship in which you really have to make a choice and make a decision. But the thing is, perhaps since it is so tough that you are not able to make the decision, that's what I feel. Because then comes in the Tower, the decision which you are not able to make happens unexpectedly. Something happens unexpectedly. Perhaps you took a lot of time in taking this decision. Okay, you were not able to give up, you were not able to amend, so things were at crossroads for you. Okay, and since you were not able to take a decision, what I feel is it unexpectedly the universe took it for you, and there was a total shake up of the events. So perhaps this relationship may have ended or disrupted at some point in time. Okay, and with the Nine of Wands, Three of Swords, and the King of Cups, what I feel is that though you know that things have shaken up, though you know that things are not okay, everything is sort of unexpectedly, it has shaken up your life, but then with the Nine of Wands, you are ready to fight back. You know that you have to do it. You know it is, you are determined to heal yourself. You are determined to get back on track. With the Three of Swords being there, you are totally heartbroken. Deep within, you are totally heartbroken because this Tower is totally unexpected. But with the King of Cups, you are mature enough. You are emotionally mature. You know that no matter how much you are troubled deep within your heart, but you are determined to get back on track. You are determined to heal. You are determined to fight back. You are determined to set your life back on track. It's something like that. So the decision which you were not able to take, the universe has taken it for you. And I think this relationship has unexpectedly ended. Okay, it was sort of a lingering relationship, perhaps for some reason the decision was lingering, and here you are determined to fight back, determined to get your life back on track. But yes, it is not easy. It's really tough for you. You really feel as to why this has happened for me, what was the need for me, why me, God, something like that. But then yes, you are determined to get back, because with the King of Cups being there, you are emotionally mature. You know how to deal with it, and you have that patience and compassion in your heart that you will be able to deal with it. And just then see the beauty. We have the Star, the Sun, the Magician, the Hermit, four major arcanas in a row, with the Death and Rebirth being there. So definitely you are healing. You are healing. You have the hope. You are keeping that hope. You are keeping that determination, that resilience, that no, I have to be okay. I have to be okay. I have to fight back. I have to take control of my life back and start afresh. And that is what you are doing with the Star and the Sun. Slowly and steadily you are healing to the point that you actually become happy. And once you are in the place of being happy, you are able to manifest a new beginning with yourself in your life. So with three cards here, it is talking about all the hope, all the healing, the hope you have that no, I will be able to do it, and this hope is carrying you on. You are slowly and steadily healing yourself, and once you are happy, now you are able to act, you are able to manifest. You know that now I can have a new beginning, now I can start afresh. With the Hermit being there, you are trying to listen to your inner voice. With the Seven of Cups, Two of Wands, Death and Rebirth. So definitely here you have, this is something, though you are trying to listen to your inner voice, here you have many options perhaps, or it is some sort of a fantasy or some visual thinking, confusion, definitely whatever it is. But you need to choose here as to what to do. A decision again has to be made over here, with the Two of Wands being next. So it is again, you need to take a decision. What should I do? What should I not do? But definitely you know there is somebody here with the Seven of Cups regarding whom you are confused with the Seven of Cups. So there are many options. It is all you are fantasizing. What should I do? And again here with the Seven of Cups and the Two of Wands, you have to make a decision here. Again, you are in a situation where you have to decide what to choose, what to pick. Okay, with the Death and Rebirth here, it is definitely here you have, it's like putting an end to whatever it was, whatever this Tower has brought. This, you are leaving the past behind and you are ready for a new beginning. You have already manifested the new beginning over here, and you are here ready to give up or release whatever the negative was, and you are able to make a choice. With the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Cups, you are back to opening up for love. You are here ready to open up emotionally to someone, definitely. Though you have the impulse to rush in, though you want to do things in haste, you are very determined over here. You just want to rush in towards that person because you are passionately attracted to this person. Okay, so definitely there is a new beginning coming in this relationship over here, and you are ready to release whatever it was which was holding you back. With the Seven of Clubs being here, it is definitely a tough struggle. It wasn't easy. It is really tough for you, but yes, you will be doing it. Guidance from the angels. Ten of Abundance. Heaven has provided you so many blessings. Your family members are bonded and working together. The children are provided for, and a comfortable retirement will one day come along. You have taught your family the grace that comes from knowing right from the wrong, and you should be very proud. So basically here what I feel is that you will get the stability, you will get the sort of new commitment and a relationship, definitely, and you also have a family to take care of. So here it is, to me it is talking about, in this scenario you do have the support group. You have people who are supporting you and who will be able to, who are helping you to glide through all this. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.